Hey everybody, this is Jason Moss of Georgia Manufacturing Alliance. I want to give you a quick update since the first of the year. We've got a lot of events that are lined up and wanted to let you know about those. On Friday, we've got Todd McCarty from WSI is going to be doing some training at our networking events that we have scheduled in Gwinnett and in Cobb. And definitely encourage you to plug into that. We do have a plant tour scheduled for Georgia powder coating on the 25th. But sad to say, it's already sold out. But the good news is we do have a tour lined up already for February, and that's Painting Technologies. That's over in Austell. We have tickets are already available and registrations available on that, and that'll be on February the 9th. The main reason I want to talk to you today, though, is to let you know to mark your calendar, go ahead and get registered up. We got a really cool special event. We're going to be celebrating our 15th anniversary at GMA. And Bo Groover with Swift Temp is going to sponsor and host this party, and we're going to have a heck of a party over at Sweetwater Brewery in Atlanta. So go ahead and make your plans now. The party is going to be from 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock. You'll be able to try some Sweetwater products if you're not real familiar with them already. But we're going to have a great time. All of the current and previous members of GMA and the folks that helped make GMA what it is today over the past 15 years, we're going to really encourage you to plug into that. It's going to be kind of like a homecoming. So I'd encourage you to get plugged into that, get registered now. The tickets will sell out on that event. So I encourage you to take a look at the entire calendar, and hopefully we'll get to see you at some of the upcoming events. See you soon.